Hello and welcome to Eduveda Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about the upcoming TCS NQT test and its guidelines and patterns. The exam will be conducted on 24th, 25th and 26th of October 2020. A little brief about the test. It will be conducted online. The score achieved in this test is valid for 2 years. With this score, one can apply for any entry-level role in corporate sector. Now, who can apply for this? UG, PG and diploma students in their pre-final and final year can apply for this. Students with any degree and specialization can apply for this test. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience are eligible for this test. Coming to the eligibility criteria, an applicant must have minimum 60% or 6 CGPA throughout academics and an aggregate of 60% or 6 CGPA in the highest qualification till the semester for which results have been declared. Next, the applicant must not have more than one active backlog or area while appearing for the TCS selection process. If selected, the student while joining TCS must have cleared all pending backlogs within the course duration as stipulated by the university, failing which joining will not be permitted. It is mandatory to declare academic gaps, if any. Overall break should not exceed 24 months. Any exceptions are permissible only for valid reasons, subject to satisfactory check or of relevant documents at the time of test or interview. An applicant should be between 18 to 28 years of age to participate in the TCS campus hiring process. Only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time/correspondence courses will not be considered. Applicants with secondary or senior secondary course from NIOS are eligible to apply if the other courses are full-time. Applicant with extended education in the highest qualification are not eligible. Any exception are permissible only for valid reasons, subject to satisfactory check of relevant documents at the time of test or interview. The exam pattern consists of 3 sections: verbal ability, reasoning ability, and numerical ability. The verbal ability will have 24 questions with a duration of 30 minutes. The reasoning ability will have 30 questions and the duration provided will be 50 minutes. For numerical ability, number of questions will be 26 and the time provided will be 40 minutes. Now, the topics covered under verbal ability are reading comprehension, sentence correction, sentence completion, parajumbles, closed passage, vocabulary, phrasal verbs and idioms, voices and forms of speech. The topics covered under reasoning ability are data arrangements, blood relations, coding, decoding, series and visual reasoning, data interpretation and data sufficiency, clocks and calendars, cubes and direction sense, logical connectives and syllogs, Venn diagrams and inequalities. Now, coming to the numerical ability, the topics covered are permutation and combination, functions, logarithms and graphs, number system, probability, time, speed and distance, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, percentages, geometry, mensuration and progressions, averages, mixtures and allegations, puzzles and base conversions. That's all in this video. Thank you and all the best to everyone.